your safe space, your happiest place. Create a home you love.
Hey, this is Subhash.
And I'm Ramya Warrior, and we own Kitchen Designers New Jersey, an interior design firm based in Red Bank, New Jersey. Today's video is about a mudroom where we store dirty shoes and bulky jackets, and we're going to show you how to make even that room glamorous.
The mudroom is the first room that you see as you come in from the garage, which makes it an introduction to the rest of the house.
Since our house is in the modern farmhouse style, we decided to use shiplap instead of using a regular back panel.
Today we are going to paint this mudroom using Paint Zoom's 3000 Platinum paint spray.
It's much easier to paint the shiplap using a paint spray instead of a roller.
Before we start painting, we prep the space by filling the nail holes with putty and taping the walls.
We just finished painting our mudroom, and this is how it looks right now. We're all about doing things as a family. It's much more fun to do things together than by yourself. We're going to be adding some hooks back here in order for us to hang our handbags and some of our jackets, and also maybe a dog leash. We're going to add some woven baskets up there for some extra storage. In order to make this bench more comfortable, we're going to add a cushion. That's also going to add some color and texture to the room. We're going to install a closet rod in here, so when we have guests over, we have more space for their jackets and shoes. This mudroom is not only functional, but it's going to be glamorous when we are done with it. This mudroom is perfect for a large family or a family that wants to entertain a lot. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please like and share with your friends. I'll see you in the next one.